How's everybody doing today? Today's Sunday, July the, that's a good question, 28th? Yeah, July the 28th. Hope you can all hear me over the fan. It's about 88, 89 degrees outside. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. This is that little Mac140. When I do the pressure vac test on the cylinder, check the crank seals, it's leaking through the oil pump. It's coming out the discharge hole right there for the bar oil. I've posted questions on 2 or 3 different forums, done some research online, asked a couple prominent saw guys what their take was on it, and the general conclusion is that nobody likes these little saws, and there's not a whole lot known about the oil pumps. So I will say that I was able to find crank seals, so we'll start right there. I'll bring this up. Hopefully this will show up. Yeah, this is going to be good. This 83859 is the original crank seal number out of the Mac140 McCoulloch IPL list. Okay, that number is no longer good. It's been superseded several times, and about the only place you can find them seals is eBay and this Randy's engine repair, which he wants $16 per seal. Well, good for him. If he can get that, more power to him. I done some looking, done some digging, done some investigation. I found where this number had been superseded several times, and basically come down to this number right here. Get that back. Oh no, my phone's going to act stupid. Okay, this number right here, the MC-9157-310101, that number has been superseded, and all you do is take the dashes out, and it's an MC-9157-310101. That is a current good number. And well, anyway, that is an MTD number. So let me see if I can't get that up here real fast. Well, hang with me here, guys. I'm still looking. Trying to bring this back up. Of course, when you want your phone to do something, it doesn't never want to do what you want it to do. So now I'm back at the beginning. When I searched this number, I typed in the 83859, and then I typed McCoulloch in front of it. And then that's what brought me to Randy's. That's the very first one. And there's the page for Randy's. Let me get this around here like this. And then if you scroll down, there's everything it'll fit. Anyway, on down through here somewhere, and it's a lengthy page. Maybe it was at the top. Yeah, it was right here at the top. Here it is. The MC 9157310101. So if we take that, copy that, back out, and paste that in and do a search on that, that comes up back to small engines. And this is where it tells you to basically delete the dashes. It's been superseded. Now it's just the MC 9157310101 with no dashes. It says it's no longer available through jacks. Well, that is not entirely true. Maybe that's just jacks. I took that number to my local parts supplier, which is Rural King. And the boy there, he was able to look it up, and he found a supply house that still had them in stock, and they were like $9 a piece, I think is what he told me, something like that. So I'm going to be replacing both the crank seals, but right now we're going to tear this oil pump apart. Not sure what I'm going to find. I thought there was a diaphragm in there. One of the forums, OPE forum to be specific, a guy commented that it was not a diaphragm, it was just a disc in there. I can't remember exactly how he worded it. So we're going to open this up, we're going to see exactly what's in there, see if there's O-rings in there that may need replaced, see what's going on, try to figure out why it's leaking pressure and drawing vacuum through the oil hole for the bar. Okay. There it is. One is the supply tube from the oil tank itself. That's this one. And the other is the supply line that goes out to the bar mounting plate. Looks like in here, down in the base, we've got an O-ring to seal it. Looks to me like it's just an open port right down into the crankcase. I'm assuming that's probably where you get your vacuum pulse from. Not your vacuum, but your crankcase pulse to operate the pump. When I get this clamshell off to replace the seals, I'll check that out, make sure it's clear and open. This here is just the adjuster to adjust the amount of oil flow. Okay. This does go up and down. So let's see what's underneath of it. I'm just using my fingernails and grabbing the silver metal there and just pulled it right out. Very easy. Wasn't hard at all. Okay, we've got a, looks like some kind of a fiber disc that's on a shaft. We've got a spring. I hope this comes apart, but it looks like another piece. Looks like there might be an O-ring right down in there. I don't know. Let me see if I can get a pick in there and get that out. See if it comes out easy or if it's hard. Oh, that moves easy. Let me just turn that upside down. Well, let me do it right here on the towel. Okay, that's all that was in there, was just this piece here. Looks like it's got a notch that goes down over a guide pin right there. I don't know if you can see that little pin in there or not. Looks like it sits in there just like that. There's no check ball. Doesn't look like there's any O-ring down in there. You can see the adjustment screw right there at the 12 o'clock position. It is level, so it was adjusted to the full flow. You can see some scoring over here in the side. And also on that side you can see some scoring. There does appear to be a little O-ring right there that holds this disc on. There it is. The disc comes off. I don't think it would really matter which way it goes on, but this appears to all be one piece. That adjuster's snug, really snug. Now it's getting loose, so it's probably an interference fit with the threads into the case here. I don't see anything else. I don't see anything else in there. No other seals. So there would literally be nothing inside of this oil pump that would restrict the loss of pressure from the crankcase. Not unless if there's something that's supposed to be in there that's not. You can definitely see on here where that pin's been hitting as it's operating. There's that O-ring. Guys, that looks like it. That looks like everything. Got a little bit of wood chips down in there. That's just part of the case there. There it is. That's all there is to that oil pump. Like I said, unless if there's something missing. I have found a rebuild kit for these pumps, and I've actually found a complete pump, brand new old stock. But I don't see, my issue with the pump is when I do a pressure test, I lose pressure through the oiling hole here on the bar mounting plate. So it's bleeding pressure through here and then blowing it out over here like it would be oiling. And I can't get it to hold pressure or pull a vacuum because of that. So now I can take and plug that. I've got some plugs, some cone-shaped plugs I can run back in there and plug that off and probably do what I need to do. But I do know that this one seal over here on the crankshaft on the PTO side, when the crankshaft is in a certain position and I wiggle it in and out on the in play, it'll actually bubble a little bit. So I think the seals are just a little bit hard. You know, even if they're $10 a piece, 20 bucks for the seals, that's cheap insurance. You know, like I said, there's not a real fond liking of these style saws, but it is a nice little saw. It does run. And for a few bucks, we can make it run even better. Okay, guys. Hope it was informational. Hope it helped somebody out. Now at least we know what's going on in there. And I think I'll go ahead and maybe even order up the rebuild kit for this pump. And at least I'll have new seals and a new disc in there. But that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.